Hi everyone! In my last video, we learned the different note values, and today we will talk about how these note values are related to each other. If you haven't watched my last video, or if you're looking for a quick review, I've put the link in the description below. Here, I've put together these note values chart with the most common note values so we can understand how they relate to each other. Let's take a look at the chart together. At the top, we have a semi-brief. The darker green bar indicates the length of this note. You can see how the semi-brief can be split into two equal halves with a minim in each half. A minim can also be split into two equal halves with a crotchet in each half. I've put a heart next to the crotchet to indicate one beat, as we'll be using the crotchet as the unit of one beat for now. The reason I use a heart is because musical beat is very similar to our heartbeat. It always beats as a steady beat, whether it's beating fast or slow. Now, if we go back up to the minim, we can easily see that one minim lasts for 2 heartbeats, which is 2 beats, or the value of 2 crotchets. And each semi-brief lasts for 4 heartbeats, which is 4 beats, or the value of 4 crotchets. Going down the chart, we can see that 2 quavers and 4 semi-quavers last for the same duration as 1 heartbeat, or 1 crotchet beat. This is another note values chart. It is very similar to the last one, but slightly different. In this chart, you might be able to see more clearly how each note can be split into 2 equal halves as you go down the chart. Starting from the top, one semi-brief can be split into 2 minims. One minim can be split into 2 crotchets. One crotchet can be split into 2 quavers, and one quaver can be split into 2 semi-quavers. To summarize, one semi-brief has the same duration as 2 minims. One minim has the same duration as 2 crotchets. One crotchet has the same duration as 2 quavers, and one quaver has the same duration as 2 semi-quavers. Here, we can see how a semi-brief relates to the other notes. One semi-brief has the same duration as 2 minims, 4 crotchets, 8 quavers, and 16 semi-quavers. One minim has the same duration as 2 crotchets, 4 quavers, and 8 semi-quavers. One crotchet has the same duration as 2 quavers and 4 semi-quavers, and a quaver has the same duration as 2 semi-quavers. I've also made the charts for those who prefer to use the American names. That's all for today. If you like this video, do subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting new videos regularly. See you next time.